What are the benefits of beautiful scenery? Improve your state of mind. Spending time outdoors reduces stress. Calms anxiety and can lead to a lower risk of depression. Spend time in nature, you can slow down. And use your senses, taking in the sights, smells, and feelings around you. What happens when you look at nature? Natural environments calm our senses, relax us. And reduce stress, and science shows they can. Even be beneficial for treating anxiety and depression. Taking the time to observe and take in what's happening around you slows you. Down and helps you to calm your senses. Wondering at the beauty and diversity in ecosystems. Can help to reset and quiet. Negative thoughts about yourself or others. It can help to achieve a moment of peace. And doing this repeatedly will change how you feel, think and act. Mother Nature is the ultimate inspiration. When you're feeling sluggish, simply walking outside and getting fresh air can do wonders for your mood and outlook. A walk in nature walks the soul back home. Thanks for watching.